Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's fruiting time again ng aking kamyas. Ayan guys, oh. Cucumber tree in English yan guys, yan. Diba? Oh. This tree have given us a lot of fruit since then. Tsaka ang karakteristik kasi nitong aking kamyas. Kamyas talaga actually. Ang karakteristik nito, the more na tinatamaan siya ng hangin, the more talaga magbe-bear fruit siya. Yan o, ang dami flower yan sa tuktok mo. Dami guys. Ayun o. Minsan guys, naglalaglaga na lang. Ayan guys, nakita niyo yan. Marami pa yan, nasa taas. Kaya lang, ang hirap lang makunan. Yan. Ayan pa guys, sa loob eh. As ayan, mangilan-ngilan lang dito. Guys, so ayan siya oh. Ayan. It's all for the day and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mami Alona. Don't forget to subscribe. Ayan guys, so ayan pa, ang dami niya, diba guys? Plenty of them. Ayan, it's all for the day. Have a safe Monday morning everyone. This is God's blessing, and don't forget to pray always and thank God for everything na binibigay sa atin, from the biggest to the smallest. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.